hope that it gets out there because Lingual is amazing.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, Sonreír es Salud. It's my pleasure to have you in my channel. Dr. Adam is an excellent orthodontics expert in lingual appliance, working in New York City. You work only with the Incognito System of 3M.
Yes, in my Manhattan office, I've tried a lot of different lingual systems. I've tried Harmony and STB and pretty much everything out there. But right now I find that Incognito is by far the most accurate and the best system, so that's the one I use for all of my patients.
It's amazing your office.
Thank you.
Well, I have a question for you. Our sixth question at home. Why do you choose lingual appliance?
For me, I understand how important somebody's smile is. And when I understand how a smile and having a good smile affects a person, I want to be able to help as many people as I can. And I find that a lot of patients, especially adults, they're too self-conscious to wear braces on the outside. So if I really believe that everybody deserves to have a beautiful smile, I want to be able to use something for every patient that will walk through my door. And so I want to make sure that I have something that even an adult who is very self-conscious, who doesn't like their smile, can use to correct their smile. I've used things like Invisalign and clear aligners in the past, but even with those it still shows, and many times biomechanically, as you know, they don't quite work. So I wanted to have something that will be able to work for me and also be able to work for my patient so that they can have that beautiful smile.
The patient feels satisfied with the technology and with the technique.
Absolutely. Yeah, patients are understanding when they see what Incognito is all about. Primarily that it's all about customization, right? Everybody understands the difference between a suit that I just buy in the store versus a suit that's a custom suit. And so the patients, especially when they're concerned about their smile, they understand that they want a smile that's going to be custom made for them. And they understand and see that Incognito is custom all across.
So it's an appliance that is comfortable.
Oh yes. Being custom, they're able to make the appliance as small as possible, as close to the tooth as possible, and as comfortable as possible. From all of the lingual systems that I've used, by far, Incognito is the lowest profile, and so it's the most comfortable for my patients.
Does the patient realize that his treatment are more quickly than with the conventional system?
So initially the patient comes in and maybe doesn't realize it, but it's something that we always talk to them about. So I always do tell my patients that when we're dealing with a customized lingual system, we can actually treat the cases faster than with the labial traditional system, because the labial traditional system is not customized for each patient. So an orthodontist that's treating with just the labial braces, it takes a little bit longer because every time the patient comes in, they have to do something to react. Versus with the customized solution, with Incognito, it all happens from point A to point B straight, directly, because it's so custom. So it will go faster.
Is aesthetic the main reason to the patient that came to your office?
So I would say most of the patients that come to the office are coming for aesthetics, but there's a very, very good portion of the patients that are also coming for functional problems as well. Bad bites, they can't chew their foods, or even sometimes they need surgery and other things like that. So they're coming for many, many different reasons. They have found Incognito because of the aesthetics, and then when I also talk to them about how Incognito was actually custom and better, they like it even more.
And the last one. Is the lingual appliance the future?
Absolutely, for sure. Anybody that's ever heard me lecture and talk about my passion for lingual orthodontics knows that when it comes to orthodontics, the future is customization. The future is braces or orthodontics of any kind that have been absolutely made for every individual patient. If we're going to take the time and make it so custom and individual, then we can also make it behind the teeth, so we can make it aesthetic and comfortable. And so even more so than clear aligners which show on the front of the teeth with attachments and everything.
And you also can't forget, of course,
right,
you need collaboration.
Absolutely, yes, patient collaboration is a big one. I have adults that come in to see me and they say they used to be an Invisalign, but they couldn't do it because they couldn't remember to take it out, put it in, take it out, put it in. And they say, can you give me something that you put it in, you're in control as the doctor, and done. I don't have to remember. And that's why I absolutely believe that lingual orthodontics is by far the future of orthodontics.
Thank you for everything, for all your work day by day of the progress in lingual appliance. In this case, in Incognito System of 3M. Always a pleasure to see you, Adam.
Thank you for having me. A pleasure to see you as well. Thank you so much for allowing me to share with all of your viewers and all of your fans. And I hope that it gets out there because lingual is amazing.
Bye.
Good?
Okay, perfect.
Edit it. It's not a problem. Should I check to, you think the voices are definitely...
Yes, the voice is good. Sonreír es salud. That's me. Smile is health in English.